So it is a little time later and we are now at Disney's Wilderness Lodge, and we've never been here, so we're gonna check it out and have a little look around. This looks pretty impressive.
Hello, welcome home.
Hi. Alright, thanks you. And we're walking in through to the lobby. Thank God for aircon. And look at this. Wow. Look at that. Wow, that's pretty impressive. Jeez. Wow. So there's your guest check-in. Nice big lobby area. There's Whispering Canyon Cafe just at the back there. This is pretty impressive. And look at this. They got a spring in the lobby. Wow. And as we head out of the lobby area, look at all those rooms overlooking this beautiful view. Look at this. It's gorgeous. This is really picturesque. You got the pool area just down there. Got this lovely little spring and waterfall going on. Loads of nice plants. And we're heading down to the pool. Pretty good. This is a nice resort. Now check out that. Look at that. Awesome. And there's the Copper Creek pool, and it's got a little slide as well for the kiddies, and there's a little kiddie splash area just over the back there. Not that we would, but there's nothing to stop anyone who is just visiting the resort to come and use the pool. I'm really surprised at that. There's no like magic band to get in the gate. Anyone could just rock up and just go to the pool. It just really surprises me that Disney do that. But yeah. There you go. And they got a little bar there, little poolside bar. And just over there you've got the boat that leaves to go to Magic Kingdom. And just check out that view. Wow, look at this. And then you've got Geyser Point Bar and Grill, which we want to check this out. It looks really good. It's like a nice open plan bar which sells food, beer, wine, and you can just chill out and watch the world go by on this gorgeous lake. Look at that. How stunning is that? This is chill out heaven round here. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is the Seven Seas Lagoon. Wow. So just there is Bay Lake Tower, and you can just see the Contemporary poking through there. And you got the resort boat there which just goes off to Magic Kingdom. But look at this, it's stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. And you can rent some boats as well, just here. This is the life. So we're just going to check out Geyser Point and get a drink from this rather cool looking bar. So that was a quick look at Fort Wilderness Lodge, and it definitely is a lovely resort. and maybe we'll get to stay here one day, who knows. But yeah, come and check it out, it's lovely to walk around.
Another one to add to the list.
Yeah, and as Pippa just said, another one to add to the list. And check out the minivan, $25, and this will take you anywhere around Disney property. Just got back from Wilderness Lodge, absolutely amazing time there, really good resort. As you can see, we're back at the villa, and we've had a quick change, and now we're going to head off to the Cheesecake Factory and get some food because we are hungry. So we'll see you in the Cheesecake Factory.
We're going to the Cheesecake Factory. Yay!
So as you can see, we are in a different location now.
Yep.
Where are we, Pippa?
We're at the mall at Millennia
And why are we here?
because we're going to get some Cheesecake Factory.
Oh yes.
We're going to the Cheesecake
Our lovely eldest daughter bought us a voucher for our anniversary, so we're going to go and use it now.
Yep. So we'll check it out, show you some food, and get fed. Right, we're sat at a table. We're not going to go through the menu because we've done a few videos of this before, so there's a plenty on there, all kinds of chicken dishes. It's too much to go through. This is probably one of the biggest menus you're going to see at a restaurant. It's got this many pages full of specialities, glam burgers, pastas, fish, steaks, chickens, all kinds. So if you go online, you can download the menu from Cheesecake Factory's website, and you can just get an idea yourself. But average prices are around sort of $16 for an entree. Appetizers are you're gonna be looking around kind of like let's have a little look. See, yeah, around sort of $12.95 for appetizers, $11.50. So, like I said, too much to go through. So we'll just show you the food. So this is the kids menu for 10 and under. Average price is $6.95, $7.95. Quite a big menu for kids. Chicken, spaghetti, meatballs, kids macaroni, fried chicken, pizzas, grilled cheese sandwich, grilled chicken, salmon, and they get a choice of a drink with that. And then the choice of 3 different desserts, which are $2.95 and $3.95. So yeah. So as always, I've gone for a Sam Adams in Cheesecake Factory, and Pippa has gone for a Sauvignon Blanc, and Erin's gone for an apple juice. And tonight's meal is on our daughter. Our eldest got us a $50 Cheesecake Factory voucher, so happy days. As always, they bring out the free bread. Don't stuff up on it because you will not eat your dinner. So we are pacing ourselves tonight. Okay, so our meals have arrived. Erin's gone for the chicken tenders and she's gone for the fruit bowl as a side, which looks quite nice. Big size portion. And then I have gone for the blackened Jamaican shrimp, which is shrimp chicken obviously, some rice and black beans and some little pineapple salsa with some, I think they're plantains as well. And this looks pretty yummy. Pippa has gone for the
chicken piccata because it's recommended to us by somebody. Can't remember who, sorry, but yeah, it was recommended, so I'm going to give it a go.
What is this? Chicken?
It's chicken with lemon sauce and capers.
And some
angel hair pasta.
Angel hair pasta. That looks yummy. Right, let's dig in. So halfway through mine, and I have to say it is really good actually. The blackened shrimp and chicken is absolutely gorgeous. The plantains are really nice. The rice is probably a la Bing microwaved. Still good. Black beans are good. Mixed together with the rice, absolutely spot on. Got the pineapple mango salsa. Yeah, it's all good. Really good. So Pippa, what do you think of your meal?
Yeah, it's really good. It's really nice. Yeah, lovely. Oh, I'm not sure what's in the angel hair pasta because it's got something in it, so I'm not sure if it's cream or not. It tastes quite light, but I'm not sure if it is, but it's really good.
Excellent. So far so good. And what's your chicken tenders like, Erin?
Good.
Very good, yeah? Slowly getting through them. So our total bill came to £64.81. That was for the 2 alcoholic drinks, the 3 meals, and yeah, it was a good meal, absolutely good meal. So we're pleased with that. So I'm nice and orange, as you can see, and we're done at the Cheesecake Factory. And we had a really good meal. Unfortunately, the server was not very happy, I don't know why, but she had a bit of a face like a smacked ass, so I don't know what was going on there, but yeah, we're done. Oh, but blown out now. And we're just gonna check out some shops in the Mall of Millennia. So yeah, let's have a look around. Done at Mall of Millennia, just went into Sephora, which Pippa picked up a couple of bits, and then we're just going to get a bit of cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory to take home with us, and then we're done. So we're just trying to decide on what cheesecake we're going to go for, but I think the winner is going to be the toasted marshmallow s'mores galore, which looks absolutely delicious. But check out all these. The fresh banana cream cheesecake looks nice. You can't quite see these because the glass has gone all misty, but they got a dolce de leche one, so we're going to get that instead. But look at these, some of these are ridiculous. Average price of a slice is around £7.95. Cheesecake Factory, done.